In today's video, we have 2 racks of lamb. We're going to season them 2 different ways. We're going to have some of the best lamb chops you will ever put in your mouth. They will make you forget all about the pork chops you've been enjoying. Here we go. This is Australian lamb. I picked this up at my local Costco. I realize that lamb is almost a dirty word in the States. I was lucky enough to make a trip to Australia a couple of years ago, and lamb is a big thing there. It's almost like chicken is here in the States. And I had some of the best lamb that I've ever had in my life. To begin this process, we are going to clean up some of this ragged stuff. Just kind of clean these bones up a little bit. You can be as detailed as you want, or you don't have to do this at all. And much like a rack of ribs, you've got a membrane on this, so I'm just going to gently score it. For this first rack, I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of olive oil, just enough to make the rub stick. This is the dry rub that I made for my smoked cheeseburger video. If you haven't seen that, please give it a look. It is 2 parts 16 mesh black pepper, 1 part diamond crystal kosher salt, and 1/4 part garlic powder. I'm not going to go crazy on the ribs. It's more about the meat. A little more olive oil. I know I'm going heavy with this rub, but don't worry. It's not going to be too salty. Go ahead, don't leave anything on the board. For rack number 2, same approach as rack number 1. We're going to hit a little bit of olive oil. But on this one, to start, we're just going straight diamond crystal kosher salt. This is going to hang out in the refrigerator overnight, and I will be cooking this tomorrow. It's going to pull the moisture out of the meat, and it's going to reabsorb it. It will not be too much salt. And then tomorrow, we're going to hit it with an additional dry rub before we put it on the cooker. It's the next day. You can see we have dry brined the meat. Now it's time to add seasoning number 2. Step number 1, I'm going to spray this with some beef tallow, just to help the rub stick. I'm going with Fragoni's Asado rub. This is a spicy rub. It's an Argentinian rub. I'm going to put this on the salt-only brined lamb roast. And for the salt, pepper, and garlic rack of lamb, I'm just hitting it with 1 more dose of the SPG rub. I'm going to let these hang out on the counter for about 30 minutes, and then it's out to the cooker. Just hit 120 degrees on the roast I've been probing. The larger one still has a couple more degrees to go, so I'm going to stick the probe in here. Oh, that fat is nice and soft, just the way I want it. Going to go ahead and take this one off. That is looking nice. Going to wrap it in some tin foil and hold it for just a bit until this one is done. I have these loosely tinted in foil. We're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to sear them off on the charcoal grill. Got my heat resistant gloves. We're going to put this on here, run it for about 45 seconds to a minute per side, get some nice char on it. All right, so here is the finished product. Let's cut into these and see what we got. Oh, it's cutting real easy. Oh, yes. Perfect pink from edge to edge. Oh man, that looks beautiful. All right, let's get a taste. Oh man. Oh wow. Wow. It's like a little meat popsicle. The seasoning's working really well with it. It's got a decent amount of smoke on it. And the fat is just melting in your mouth. Ooh, man. I know lamb is not the most popular meat in the US, but I'm on a one-man mission to try and change that. This is as good as any piece of pork or beef that I cook. I know you think maybe it's too gamey. That's not the case at all. If it's cooked properly, the gaminess is going to be minimized greatly. So I would highly recommend giving this a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps to push me out to more people and spread what I'm doing here. And with that being said, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.